Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Art by Chinmayi. So today I am going to show you how to draw some realistic shells. So I am going to draw these shells that I bought from Goa. So let's start. So now we are going to add more detail over here later, but for now let's start with these shells. So first just sketch the shells out. You can just use, if you have a shell, you can use it as a reference, like put it on and place it, but I am going to draw it. Let it dry. We are going to add one more thing, but first let it dry and now work on the wave. So for the wave, I am going to take some dark blue and then just put it where the sand and water meet. I really find drawing like seashells and sunsets so relaxing. all of this part, all the white part is going to be sand. It's like these seashells are on the sand. Yes. I think it's a little bit too bright. I'm just adding some brown over it, over the reddish brown, some normal dark brown, because it's too bright. And it's got to be less colorful compared to the seashells. That's why. Be careful not to touch the seashells. It just looks so beautiful. It'll look even more beautiful when it's finished. Ochre, yellow ochre, yellow, yellow, yellow ochre, some reddish brown to top it over, and then some dark brown to make it light, like not too bright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Bye friends.